Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma, and today we're going to talk about Automotive Touch Up paint. The company Automotive Touch Up reached out to me and asked me if I would try their Automotive Touch Up paint. They have aerosol spray cans, paint bottles, and paint pens. I decided to go with the paint pens for my Jeep. Automotive Touch Up can match your Jeep or any vehicle's paint code. My paint code is PX8. How do you find your paint code? Finding your paint code is easy. All you have to do is open up your Jeep door, and there's a little sticker here that has your VIN number on it and your paint code. Mine says PX8. The first step is this paint prep surface wipe. These are solvent infused wipes. So you would open up the package and clean the surface. Prep is key. From previous testing, I felt like I did not need that sandable primer. I'm just going to use my touch-up paint Jeep PX8, and you need to shake it for like a good 30 seconds to a minute and have yourself a piece of cardboard to get the paint pen started. You're just going to want to push down on it and just fill it a little. You don't want it to come gooping out, because then your pen is so full of paint. And now you just dab. And just little dabs. That's all you need. No swooshing of this pen. Just little baby dabs. Now you have that gouge covered and protected from getting your Jeep more damaged. So then the next step is a clear coat touch-up paint. And this puts a clear coat over the paint. And again, shaky, shaky. So this clear coat will match the rest of the gloss on my Jeep and will protect it from the elements. You're gonna take your top off and just dab ever so slightly. Oh, this one comes out a lot. So then we're just gonna dab. So it looks pretty good. The purpose of the base coat is to make the scratches and the damage look less visible and to put the paint back in there and to help protect it from the elements. The purpose of this clear coat is to match the Jeep's gloss and to protect the new paint from the elements. Just looking at my Jeep, you can't tell there were even scratches there. However, if you get really super close up and you rub your fingers on it, you can feel it's a little bumpy, kind of like a scar. This touch-up paint is solvent-based, not oil-based. If you make a mistake and it's still wet, you can add thinner to it to make it easier to get off. Now, if the paint is dry, you will need to wet sand it off. If you've never used Automotive Touch-Up paint, I recommend starting out with the paint pen and tiny scratches or small dings. It's the best selection for these small imperfections. If you decide to try bigger sections, there are more how-to videos in my description below. For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.